Welcome, friends. I'm Alexius Varro, your guide to living a fulfilled and resilient life through the teachings of Stoicism. Today, we're diving into day 63, where we explore the concept of integrity and its disruption. This chapter is packed with invaluable wisdom, so let's delve into it together. One of the most profound lines from Epictetus in this chapter is, "You must be one person, either virtuous or wicked. You should work diligently either on the supreme part of your soul or on what pertains to the external world, working hard either on what is inside you or on what is outside, that is, to have the mindset of a philosopher or a layman." This quote powerfully reminds us that we cannot live a dual life, oscillating between vice and virtue or between superficiality and depth. The author articulates that we are complex individuals with conflicting desires, aspirations, and fears. This inner chaos is mirrored by the outer world's contradictions and uncertainties. Without proper attention, these pushing and pulling forces can tear us apart, leading to a fragmented life. He argues that we cannot live as both Jekyll and Hyde. Such a state is unsustainable. So, what do we do about this chaos? The author proposes a choice: unify with the philosopher within us, focusing persistently on our inner self, or behave like a leader who morphs into whatever the masses need at a given moment. The former choice demands self-awareness and integrity, directing our energy and effort towards what truly matters: inner growth and virtue. Imagine being a rock in the stormy sea of life, steadfast and unyielding. This rock symbolizes integrity. When you build your foundation on inner principles rather than external demands, you cultivate resilience and inner calm that no external force can shake. This leads us to an essential question: how do we achieve this unity and integrity? The key lies in consistent self-reflection and philosophical practice. Let's consider a practical step: journaling. Every day, set aside time to journal about your thoughts and actions. What motivated you? Did you act according to your principles, or were you swayed by external pressures? This practice helps you align your actions with your core values, building a coherent and unified self. Another practical exercise is to set firm boundaries. By defining what you will and will not tolerate in your life, you create a clear demarcation between the internal and the external. These boundaries ensure that you are not easily disrupted by external factors that seek to pull you away from your path. For example, in my corporate life, I found myself constantly swayed by the whims of stakeholders and market demands. It wasn't until I started setting boundaries, dedicating time for deep work and personal reflection, that I began to feel more centered and less fragmented. This shift allowed me to lead with integrity, focusing on long-term visions rather than short-term gains. The author warns that ignoring inner integrity risks leading to external destruction. When you let the outside world dictate your actions, you lose touch with who you are, becoming a mere reflection of external expectations. This can lead to burnout, dissatisfaction, and a life that feels increasingly out of control. Finally, remember that Stoicism is not about being perfect. It's about striving towards virtue, learning from our mistakes, and continually aligning ourselves with our highest values. Every day is an opportunity to practice, to grow, and to become more attuned to our inner philosopher. In summary, integrity and its disruption teaches us the vital importance of choosing a path of inner virtue over external validation. It encourages us to build a strong, resilient self through regular reflection, boundary setting, and a focus on our deeper values. I hope you found these insights as enlightening as I did. Remember, we're all on this journey together, striving to live with more integrity, resilience, and peace. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who might benefit from these teachings. Let's continue cultivating a community of modern Stoics who not only endure, but thrive. Until next time, stay virtuous and resilient.